Happy Friday, everybody. Here are your answers from yesterday. So pause the screen and mark your work. That's page 1. And here is page 2. Okay, to finish off the half term then, there's just some extra activities for you. Now, these are quite a challenge. So if you found things quite hard, you might prefer to go back and have a look at some of the activities from this week and do a little bit of revision. But if you want to, you can have a go at this, which is where you have to work out the missing number in each box. It's quite tricky and you might find equipment will help you here. You've also got a challenging practice here. So you need to, again, work in and see if you work through and see if you can work out which number goes in the boxes. Okay, and then there's a little bit more here to order some numbers and do a little subtraction at the end. If you keep the video rolling, the answers will be on the end for you, so we don't carry them over half term. Don't worry if you didn't manage to do these challenging practices. This is just an extra for those of you that are really happy. And remember, anytime you can practice your subtraction by making a 3-digit number, either with 3-digit cards or rolling a dice 3 times, and then make another 3-digit number, and then start with the biggest number, take away the smallest number, and find the answer. Okay, good luck, and the answers are at the end of the video. Okay, here are the answers for today's problems then. So let's have a look. This first one was an addition. So 1's first. 1 add what is 3? That's 2. 110 add how many tens is 3 tens? That's 2 again. And 100 add how many hundreds is 300? It's 200s. Let's have a look at this next one. The best way to work a missing number calculation is to work through it yourself. So if we were solving this calculation, we'd start here and we'd say 2 add 6 is 8. 3 tens add what tens is 8 tens. 3 add what is 8, it's 5. And then 400s add 400s is 800s. And then the last one, something add 5 equals 8. That's 3. And then 2 tens add 4 tens is 6 tens. 100 add 300 is 400. These are subtraction then. So something take away 1 is 8. 9 take away 1 is 8. And then so many hundreds take away no hundreds leaves us with 8. Well, it had to be 8 again. Something take away 444 is 444. What take away 4 is 4? 8. And that's going to work for the tens and the hundreds as well. And the last one, 4 take away 4 is 0. 5 tens take away how many tens is 2 tens? Of course, you could actually physically get it. Here's our 5 tens. How many do we have to take away to get 2 tens? 3 tens. There's your answers to that one. And then let's have a look at this challenging practice. So it's an addition, first of all. It's really important that you take really careful note of what the calculation is. What add 1 is 4. 3 add 1 is 4. B, it's an addition again. Now let's work through it. 7 ones add 5 ones would be 12 ones, which is 1 10 and 2 ones. Do you remember when we did that? Of course, you can build the number if you want to. Tens now, we've got something, add 9 tens, add 1 10 equals 3 tens. Don't think that can be 3, can it? I think it has to be 13 tens. So I think it's going to be a 3. And we're going to put that one in the hundreds. And then 300s add 500 and 100 is 900. Let's have a look at this last one. 5 add 4 is 9. 4 tens and 3 tens is 7 tens. 600 add 200 is 800. Very carefully, look, we've changed to subtraction. 4 take away 3 is 1. How many tens take away 2 tens would leave us with 5 tens? 7. And E, another subtraction. 9 take away 8 is 1. 9 tens take away 2 tens is 7 tens. How many hundreds take away 3 hundreds gives us 2 hundreds? It's 5. And then F, 6 take away 5 is 1. 1 10 take away how many tens is 9 tens. Right, well, I don't think that will work, will it? And if you look here, 800s take away 600s isn't 100. So we must have had to have regrouped that there. So 11 tens take away how many tens is 9 tens? it's 2. That was quite tricky, wasn't it? Well done if you had a really good go at it. For part 2 then, we had to arrange the numbers in order. So we're looking for the greatest first. Start with the greatest, that's the biggest number. So let's look at the hundreds. This has got 900s, 600s, 900s, 600s and 900s. There's got to be one that starts with 900s. Let's look at the tens next. 6 tens, 9 tens, 6 tens. Right, that one has got 900s and 9 tens. So that's got to be the biggest. We've then got these two. They've both got 900s and 6 tens. This one's got 9 ones and this has only got 6. So it must be this one next. And then this one. And then we've got 2 numbers now which have 600s and 9 tens. This one's got 9 ones and this one's got 6 ones. So this is the bigger one. There we go. And then part B, you had to subtract the smallest from the greatest. So 996, take away 696. 6 take away 6 is 0. 9 tens take away 9 tens is 0. 900 take away 600 is 300. There you go. Well done. We have covered loads of things over the last couple of weeks. Certainly it's been a challenging half term, but well done for keeping with it. Enjoy your half term. You really deserve it. And we'll be back after half term.